Hey guys, Foral the Alligator here, and I am back today with something I have yet to do in this year and probably the last year, since I have kind of been on a slump of these, and that is a card pack opening. Today we will be opening the Yu-Gi-Oh! Trading card game. I believe this one is Elemental Hero Plasma Neos. I did only unwrap it. I didn't do anything. The tin includes 3 2018 Mega Tin Mega Packs, 1 Secret Rare Elemental Hero Nebula Neos, so that is this guy up front. It comes with 4 Ultra Rare cards, Elemental Hero Solid Soldier, Keeper of Dragon Magic, Mud Dragon of the Swamp, and Arcana Extra Joker. I don't really know what those cards are, as I didn't get a chance to look at them, and we will probably go through all of those. So each Mega Pack contains 1 Secret Rare, 1 Ultra Rare, 1 Super Rare, 1 Rare, and 12 Common cards, including cards from the following booster packs: Maximum Crisis, Code of the Duelist, Circuit Break, and Extreme Force. It's 6 to plus years old. Yeah, and so I'm going to open this up and we will see what we get. So as usual with all of their tins, they do this stupid black piece of plastic with all the cards in the middle. So we'll just put that to the side and put the cards down. Alright, so here's all the cards. We have 3 of the Mega Packs, as they said, and the booster cards, or the cards they kind of listed up front. So I'm going to close the tin up and put that in the background here. There we go. We'll go through the opened cards first, and then we'll see what we get. Okay. So we get all of the cards they listed on the back are in their own little private plastic bag, so we will go through those. And I apologize for the lack of a thumbnail if by the time this is up and it doesn't have a thumbnail. My thumbnail artist kind of got lazy and didn't want to do it before before deadline, so that's all fine and dandy. We'll get to it when we do. 1 second guys, I'm going to take a drink. Oh. And before I do get started on this, I do want to kind of address the previous video that I've done where I asked people to switch the rules. That will that contest the contest aspect of it is canceled. But if you guys do want to do it, go for it. I do encourage it, and it might be fun for everyone. But anyway, that's what I'm going to say there. So first card is, like I said, the Elemental Hero Nebula Neos. There's the Elemental Hero Solid Soldier. He kind of looks cool. We have Keeper of the Dragon Magic. And Mud Dragon of the Swamp. He looks kind of interesting. Wonder how he works. Alright. So putting those to the side, we will grab one of the 2018 Mega Tin Packs. They have 3 of them and 16 cards in there, so that's pretty cool. Now there is no special trick on getting the rare to the back and everything, because they usually just mix them up anyway. Should have brought a garbage can over here. Oh, okay. So first card we got our Go Astoria and Dextra, or Dexia. Looks like a pair of hands. So they are quite literally catch these hands. Okay. We have, I'm just going to put them in the back here. We have Striping Panther, or Partner, rather. Stripping Partner, my bad. I can read. Meknight Green Horizon. Mermail Abyss Nahiri? I don't know, but she looks pretty cool. She's kind of like a deep sea mermaid type deal. I might have to use her. We have a trap card, Showdown of the Secret Sense Scroll Technique. That's a long word for like a card. We have Zombino. Goki Rematch. Pendulum Paradox. We have our first Link monster, Mech Knight Spectrum Supreme. I'm just going to put him to the side over here. We have Trickstar Narcissus. She looks interesting. Link Flyer, or Infra Flyer. Okay, that's a mouthful. Perry Knights. Kind of looks like a disco party. Speedroy Passion Glider. Ling. Kind of looks like a weird two-headed griffin type monster thing. Another Link monster, and that is Recovery Sorcerer. So I will put him to the side here. A Synchro monster, FE Motorhome Transport. Okay, so apparently cars are now Yu-Gi-Oh cards. Okay, I'm just going to put that to the side. And we're back at Go, Astra, and Dexa. So I will put that back to the side. With the bonus cards to the side, and we will go through those at the end of the video. So next pack. 1 second, guys. Alright. I have like a small pile of garbage over here, so if you see me moving stuff, that's where they go. I do apologize if you guys hear any like a clicking noise. I have a little solar dancer that's doing his work. Alright. Now on to the next pack. We have Mech Knight Green Horizon once again. Call of the Archfiend. Trading Places. Double Resonator. One second, guys, I need a drink. Junk Breaker. Zombino makes his return. Auto Rocket Dragon. He looks like an interesting monster. We have another Link monster, Heavy Metaphos Electromite. Kind of sounds like a Pokemon name. Like a Megastone. Salvagent Driver. Fantastic Strurborg. he's a pun. It's a fan. That's clever. 10 points to them. Temple of the Mind's Eye. Parallel Port Armor. Speedroid Malicious Magnet. FA Hang On Mock. That's an interesting card. Orbital Hydra Lander. Kind of looks like a weird, what's the word? Kind of like something you would see in a anime maybe. Well, obviously anime, but maybe like a weird sci-fi Star Wars type movie. Boreal Cooling. And back to Mech Knight Green Horizon. Alright. So final pack of this tin, of this pretty neat tin. If I do find another tin, I might have to do another card pack opening. I feel like it's fun. I find it fun rather. Let me know what you guys think, if you like the return of card packs, or if I should just stop and continue on with like action figures and such. So first card out of the pack is Call of the Archfiend. Another Trading Places. Backup Secretary. Launcher Commander. DD Seeker. They look pretty cool. I don't know if that's a man or a woman. Goki Headbat. Kind of reminds me of like some weird Power Ranger knockoff, ripoff bad guy. Cracking Dragon. That looks pretty cool. I don't know if you guys can tell, but it is a cool holographic card. Mech Knight Purple Nightfall. He's another holographic card. Magna Rocket Dragon. I feel like that's another like type of the weird evolution chain of dragons that they have there. I forget the other guy's name, like Barrel Rocket Dragon, I want to say his name is. Next card is World Legacy Whispers. Stack Reviver. Temple of the Mind's Eye. Yokozuna Sumo Spirit. Yeah, he's just one big sumo dude. That's cool. Twilight Cloth. FA Hang On Mock. Orbital Hydra Lander. And back to Call of the Archfiend. Alright. So that pack wasn't as good, but it was pretty cool. Some of the cards were neat. Going over like the rare cards, I'm going to put these ones with this batch. And we'll kind of begin shutting down this video. So we have Metaphos Electromite. FA Motorhome Transport. Recovery Sorcerer. Mech Knight Spectrum Supreme. Keeper of Dragon Magic. Elemental Hero Solid Soldier. Elemental Hero Nebula Neos. And Mud Dragon of the Swamp. And there goes all the cards. Oh, sorry, I forgot Arcana Extra Joker. That is pretty cool. I thought I put all his cards away, but maybe I didn't see him there. But anyway, guys, that has been my little card pack opening of the Yu-Gi-Oh! 2018 Mega 10 Elemental Hero Nebula Neos pack. I may pick up the other pack if I see it. But anyway, guys, I'm Foral. If you guys enjoyed the return of Yu-Gi-Oh! Card and other card pack openings, please remember to like and comment below. That way I know if you're enjoying it or not. But anyway, guys, I'm Foral. You guys have been fantastic, and I will catch you all in the next video.